Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the cleaning process for your Dyson HD07, gather the following tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you disassemble, clean, and reassemble your vacuum effectively. Begin by unplugging the vacuum to ensure safety. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button located at the top. Once the canister is removed, you can empty it over a trash can. Use a soft brush to gently clean any debris stuck inside the canister. If you notice any stubborn dirt, a damp microfiber cloth can help remove it without damaging the surface. Now, let's move on to the filter. Locate the filter compartment, usually found at the top or side of the vacuum. Remove the filter and rinse it under lukewarm water until the water runs clear. It's crucial to let the filter dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting it into the vacuum. If you need assistance with this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you. After addressing the filter, focus on the roller brush. Flip the vacuum over to expose the brush bar. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the brush. Carefully lift the brush out and remove any tangled hair or debris. This step is vital for maintaining suction power. If you don't have the tools or time to do this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making your life easier. Once the roller brush is clean, reinsert it and secure it with the screws. Ensure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the components. Now, let's check the hose for blockages. Detach the hose from the vacuum and inspect it for any clogs. If you find any, use a flexible cleaning tool or a broom handle to dislodge the debris. If you're unsure about handling this, no calls, no travel, just reach out for our services. Next, take a moment to clean the exterior of the vacuum. Use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe down all surfaces, ensuring there's no dust buildup. This not only improves the appearance but also prevents dust from entering the internal components. Finally, before reassembling everything, check the vacuum's wheels and joints. Ensure they're free of dirt and can move smoothly. If you notice any issues, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and clarity about the service. Once everything is clean and dry, reassemble the vacuum by following the disassembly steps in reverse order. Make sure all parts are securely in place. Plug in the vacuum and perform a test run to ensure everything functions correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact us for professional support. Remember, maintaining your Dyson HD07 not only enhances its performance but also extends its lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.